Hello people, I am Shrikar and welcome back to Tickets Entertainment. There is a question running in many people that how OTTs make profit and why producers are choosing OTT platforms. So stay tuned till the end of this video and find the answer. So what is OTT? OTT stands for over the top, which states the dominance over television and other broadcasting services. Earlier, we used to watch movies in theaters, and after their 100 days of release, the movies usually premieres in television. But in recent years, we came across many online platforms like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Z5, and many more. These platforms backs the broadcasting rights from the producers and takes the whole responsibility to stream and to get profit or loss. The growth of these platforms are going bigger as they started with buying the rights and now they're producing their own original content. How they make profit. For those who don't know, it was initially started by Amazon as Amazon Unboxed it back in 2006. This opened doors for all kinds of filmmakers, so they started to add only better stuff and filter out the useless. They slowly started to make profits and now they are already producing their own content. Before moving on to how they make profit, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and also follow us on Instagram. For example, consider a movie's rights were bought by Amazon Prime Video for 30 crores. On an average, an Amazon subscriber pays 100 rupees per month. From statistics, Amazon Prime Video had about 164 million subscribers already. So if this 160 million people pays 100 rupees per month, they are making 160 crores per month, and that too only in India. Now think about how they are making profits outside India. Moreover, Amazon subscription is different from other OTT platforms as it offers free music and book services with its Prime subscription. This could be a different strategy to attract more audience. Netflix is one of the best quality platform which also offers interesting original content. And many other OTT platforms in India like Hotstar, Voot, Sony Live and others follow ads plus subscription basic strategy. So if you pay for subscription, they'll earn that money, but if you are watching some content for free, they'll post ads in between your watch time. Like that, many OTT platforms in India earn more than 60% of profits through ads. Now what about big budget movies? Recent surveys stated that there is no chance for big budget movies in OTT platforms as they can only make less profits. So the biggies have to wait a while for their theatrical release. Now what are the possible benefits of OTT platforms? The low or average budget films are not getting proper response while the big budget movies run in theaters. So this could be a chance to those movies to make profits. You get lot of movies with better quality which are not available in internet anymore. Also, these OTT platforms are safe and does not add any kind of junk while downloading them. These OTT platforms are user friendly and also cost friendly. Yeah, we Indians are truly genius and we know how to share an account. These platforms are very convenient. You can watch your favorite media anywhere in your mobile phone too. For those who wanted to follow this ethically, they prefer watching them in OTT platform and please do not use any pirated sites as they're harmful and please don't spoil the profits of the movies. For us Indians, we are fortunate to have Jio Network as it offers subscription to various OTT platforms for free or less charges with your talk time plans. Ambani is God. That's it for now guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment your views and feedback is appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram.